Joining us, your reaction to what we are seeing, that Imran Khan has been shot at this rally. Mr. Zaidi, can you hear me? Yes, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Thank you so much for joining us here on the BBC. Can you give me your reaction to what is happening?
Well, I actually, I led a rally from Sindh, and we had just reached the container where Chairman Imran Khan was. I was about 15, 20 odd meters away when we heard the firing shots, and the security surrounding me, they pushed me and they put up. And when we got back to the container, there was a shooter on the left side of the container. He opened fire with an automatic weapon, and was another PTI, one of our young, but the bullet but the gun's barrel was pointed down, so everybody got shot in their legs. And as per my information, I'm just getting confirmation on it, Imran Khan has been shot in the leg. A couple of Ahmed Chatta, who was our candidate from this area, Wazirabad, he's been shot in the leg. Faisal Javed, who's our compare, he holds a mic. He's been shot, and a couple of other injuries, but nothing seriously, nothing fatal as yet, as per my information. I was just dragged out, and I'm now sitting here in front of you, and I'm going to now head to Lahore, where Imran Khan has been shifted, or has been taken to be shifted to the Shaukat Khana Mosque. But I also have to add one thing here. Can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Zaidi, it's very difficult to hear you, but we are hearing enough, so do continue.
Okay, so I must add here that we have been protesting, marching peacefully. We have women and children, old and young kids, families. This is a movement. I've seen marches in England where 2 million people came out. I've seen marches in America, all over Europe, anywhere in the civilized world. We have been marching peacefully, and we have been threatened by the government consistently. The Home Minister, Rana Sanaullah, has called it the right word in English, I would say. He said he will make this into a bloody march. We have ignored him. We have constantly said, the Prime Minister, or the ex-Prime Minister, Chairman Tehreek-e-Insaf, has constantly said that we are peaceful people. We will always abide by the law. Within the boundaries of law, we have a right to register. We have a constitutional right, and we have been protesting. All we want is free and fair elections, which every democratic mindset in the world would want, free and fair elections. And that is all what we are, that is all this march is for. This guy, this Rana Sanaullah, who himself, by the way, has police reports on him for murder. His own party people have said that he is involved in 20 plus murders.
Mr. Zaidi, we don't want to get into a situation where you are making unfounded allegations, because we've had a response from the government, the Sharif government, already saying that they are condemning what has happened today. They condemn this shooting, and they are concerned about what is happening with Imran Khan.
Let me just rephrase my last statement. I am not making any accusations. It is their own party who's done that. So anyway, please go ahead.
We've been speaking to other members of the PTI who say there had been concerns about Mr. Khan's security. Going forward, I mean, who actually protects him? Is it just members of the party, or does he have professional security?
There is professional security. There is Punjab police, and there is a professional security cordon around him of ex-army personnel and the security agency, which is led by a retired colonel of the army. And then there are party workers surrounding him as well. But there was a lot of Punjab police on all sides, because this is a province where we have a government, and it is the job of the state to provide protection to every citizen of the state, especially global leaders like Imran Khan. And I have to tell you, they failed.
Ali Zaidi, thank you for joining us. It's been difficult to hear everything you had to say, but important to get your testimony as well and to hear what happened. But it does seem that everyone is confirming, eyewitnesses as well, and we can tell perhaps from looking at these pictures that although Imran Khan has been shot apparently in the leg, he was seen with a bandage on his leg, he is okay. He has been taken to medical facilities and is being checked in Lahore. Members of his team also shot as well, but it does not appear that anyone has lost their life in this incident.